Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on Sneakers Unboxing with Moi, and today we're going to be unboxing the N.E.R.D Human Race NMD, so let's get to it. Alright, so here's the box, and once again, it's one of those weird, like, cardboard that is stuck, but they just use glue instead of tape. Alright, but okay, so upon opening the top, we get the Human Race logo, that over there, and on the bottom it says made with earth-friendly materials. So that's what it says on the bottom of the box. Nothing on this side. We have our sizing on the front. It's blank on this side as well, and on the back you have Pharrell Williams and Adidas on the corner. But let's see how they look. Alright, and of course NMDs aren't really my type of shoe to wear. I just like how they look though. I feel like they're like super creative with these when it comes to these. Alright, so here's the shoes. We have the lettering on the left shoe, and then we have N.E.R.D on the right shoe, and then of course the whole upper is prime knit, and then we get our extra set of laces and like this like turquoise green, like I don't know, it's like it looks blue but then it also looks green, and then the sole is like a same thing, like a greenish but not too greenish. It's like mixed with like a blue. So I mean it looks nice. And then we have of course Boost as your sole, and then your midsole, and then on the back we have our little design. You can't really see it, but you'll see the close-ups pretty soon. On the right shoe we have the 20. So I mean I guess they meant to put 2.0, but we get two different colors on the soles. You can tell the left shoe is like a more greenish and the right shoe is a more bluish, so you can kind of tell when they're side by side, but if you're stepping on them it's going to be kind of hard to see. Inside where the insole is, it's also the same thing, but it's flipped, so it's blue on the inside, green on the outside on the sole for the left shoe, blue on the outside, and then instead of it being greenish they made it like a peach color. So I think that's a cool little feature as well. And then the insole has all your body parts. I know it sounds weird, but I guess that's part of the NMD. Every NMD has that, where it shows like liver or like bladder. It says bladder right here, pelvis, and etc. So you guys get the deal. But let me get you guys the close-up shots and the on feet, and then we can get to wrapping up the video. So let's get to it. Alright, so that wraps up the video on these human race NMDs. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys would rock or if you guys would drop, or if you have any other comments about this shoe, let me know. And of course, giveaway at 150 subscribers. Every time we get closer, I'll let you guys know what it's gonna be about. So hope you guys have a good day, night, or evening, whatever time you're watching this, and I'll catch you in the next one.